There we go, now we're recording. Alright, so today we got a little headgear action going on. So I'm about as dorky dad as I can possibly get at this point. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a little adventure. So today we walked in, it smells a little musty. I suspect half of it is caused by all the mouse shit and piss that's in here. And it's all in all these cabinets, it's bad. And then you see all these open crawl spaces. It's basically letting all the nastiness from up in the crawl space come right up into the house. So that'll be the next project after we get the water and the flooring all torn up, because quite frankly we need to know what's going on with our flooring before we can really assess what needs to be done with the water and everything, in case we need to work on lines and stuff like that. Everything will be nice and accessible. Okay, so everything's been cleared out thanks to Emma. I actually got almost all the carpet taken out of the house. The only thing that's left is this carpet here, and we took out all the carpet in the back area here. So let's go take a look at what we're dealing with. And for those of you that have never ripped out carpet before, boy, are you in for a treat if you try it yourself. It's really not too bad. I'll kind of walk you through what I did. But here's what's left in this room. This one's not too bad, except for the fact that, I don't know if you can see it very well, but right here, there's a hole in the floor that goes right to the outside. And it's in one of those openings that used to be a crawl space accessible area. But yeah, not anymore because of the movement over time. So we've got quite an interesting conundrum on our hands. A little bit of rot down here from water coming in from the window, presumably. Let's replace a lot of the window wood as we go. And then we have what looks like to be some urine damage right here. I'm guessing this is either from dogs, cats, or monkeys. Could realistically be from any of them, quite frankly. And then we also have the little bit of water damage here. There's a lot of wave in this floor right here, so a lot of moisture and humidity for some reason is causing warpage. And it looks like because the seam is right here and the next seam is right here, we could be dealing with either a bad joist in the middle, which I don't think is very likely, or more likely, I think my joist is here and here. More likely we're just having some sagging action from the particle board giving out over time, because I believe we only have one layer of subfloor. I know I'm not using all the right technical terms, but there we are. And we could also be dealing with some moisture and humidity from something related to the piping or the sewage line. Okay. So yeah, that's what we ripped out all in here. Ripped out those. Somebody stapled the damn carpet directly to the frickin' floorboard. And ding dongs. So that was a pain in the butt to try to get up, and still got a lot of residual. And this flooring has to go as well because it's warped all over the place too. So that's going to have to come out. But that's going to be a little bit more of a difficult project. More concerned about getting the kitchen area floored first and covering up or replacing some subfloor here, and getting that all straightened out before we do anything at all. You what?
Mouse traps before I can clean in here.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to snap them on myself.
Oh yeah, don't do that. Did you do it?
I haven't done it yet.
Good.
I haven't started. I'm just trying to clear this stuff out first.
Oh, here's some Lysol. That'll help. You don't want to spray that before you touch anything. Yeah, we didn't catch any mice yet, which is kind of a good thing, because most of the traps didn't snap. So, okay, well, here we go. I'm going to show you what we did here. Kind of going a little backwards. Hey, Ray, what's going on, bud? You want to help today? Come on, watch your step, buddy. Come here. Watch your step. Step over. Good boy, just like I told you. All right. Hi, Tessie. Why don't you go work with Mama? Can you go help Mama?
She was following me around.
Okay. Yeah, Papa's going to get all those, right? Yep. Okay, so right here, we have our carpet. So what you do is you just pull the carpet off of the tacks, like so, as you go. Okay, Then you're left with your foam material underneath, which is to help support your carpet. And then your carpet's tacked in on the side. I think the foam is actually supposed to go all the way across underneath these tack lines, but I'm not sure. I think this is just done cheaply. That's the main issue. Hey, sweetie. You watching too? So you take up your carpet first, rip that out in a big roll and dump it in the dumpster. Take this guy out, roll that up second, throw that in the dumpster, and then we get to do the fun part, which Wraith really likes to help out with, which is taking up all these wooden nail boards, which all you gotta do for these is take your crowbar and get right underneath them and just gently pry up as you go. Sometimes they need a little bit more effort, but that's pretty much it. They come up just like that. Sometimes from your carpet or from your foam board or something else, you'll have leftover nails and stuff sticking up left behind. You can either hammer those down like so, or you can take your crowbar like so and just kind of knock them off of there, and then you can take your fuzz with it. Sometimes it'll be a little stubborn, but if you just kind of give it a little rub, most of that crud will come right off. See, you can even sometimes get it off with just your finger. What'd you find?
Where does these glue traps have to be the most ineffective thing anyone's ever invented?
All right, so rating on glue traps, 0 stars.
Told you not to buy them.
Okay. All right, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hey, Wraith, you want to show them how it's done, bud? You show them how to do it? Come here.
No, he's going back to his chair.
Oh, you taking a night-night? Okay.
He's going back to
All right, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna set it on a on time-lapse footage, so maybe we can get something kind of cool. Oh, do you want to help? You want to help? All right, here we go. I want to get you started, okay? Come over here, Tessie. You gotta move, sweetie. Okay. No, we're gonna use the crowbar. Remember? Can you do it? Show Papa how you do it. That's it. Good job. And then scoot it under just a little bit more. Here. Okay. Do it with both hands. Like we taught you. Good boy. Now we just get one more. Careful, bud. There we go. All right. Now come on. Now down. Good job. Just like that, right? Okay, can you get the next one? You want to do the next one? Good work. Okay, one more. Can you get it? Push down. Remember, down to go up. Good work. All right, we did it. High five. Good job, Tesla. You're managing the whole affair, right? Oh, are you hammering that part down too? Good work, bud. Got it? Oh, Papa needs to do it? All right, let's see. I'll do that in a second, okay? All right, right now we're gonna show off the video and we'll try to do time lapse, okay? Sound good? All right.